Welcome to Castlebrew Secondary School, start of Nature Island Challenge Day 2. Today you'll be traversing Section 5 of the Waitakabuli National Trail. Is everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Beginning, it was like really hard. It was hot down there. When we started, it was also muddy and slippery and everything. It was basically hiking a riverbed.
You are not hearing me. I'm saying this is Trinidad, right? We are on top of the mountain. We are on our way to Eyeball Pool now, over and out.
So I knew the trail run was going to be rough. It was kind of fun to get a little muddy and go in the rivers, but we got last, so.
Just pushing, you know? Just digging deep, pushing.
This is awesome. Hard, difficult, tricky.
I want Louis Vuitton quality jewelry. We are leading, but we wish we could have been further apart. The major challenge is really challenging us.
Welcome to the Day 2 Major Challenge. We are here at Wacky Rollers Adventure Park, and today you'll be tackling a canopy challenge.
We really need to push. We had another bad day on the trail, so give it all we got and see what happens.